Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Murgh Musallam. Murgh Musallam is a popular and traditional North Indian dish that is typically made by roasting a whole chicken that has been marinated in blend of spices and yogurt. The dish is usually served as a centerpiece for special occasions or festive events, and it is often accompanied by a flavorful gravy. Murgh Musallam is a rich and flavorful dish that is enjoyed by many people around the world, and it is often considered a symbol of hospitality and generosity. Chicken is a good source of protein and contains essential amino acids that are important for muscle growth and repair. Let's start the recipe. In a vessel, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, 4 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 chopped medium-sized onions. Saute until onion turns light brown. Now add half kg chicken. Fry it for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now add 2 tomatoes. Close and cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Add 10 cashews, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3 or 4 green chilies and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add little water and grind into fine paste. Now add cashew paste into the chicken. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and salt as per your taste. Adjust red chili powder and green chilies as per your taste. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Close and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Add half cup to 3/4 cup of water. Close and cook until the chicken cooks perfectly. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd or malai. Add some coriander. Adjust salt as per your taste here itself. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat and switch off the flame. Very tasty and delicious Murgh Musallam is ready. More non-veg recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Cooks on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.